In this video, I'm going to show you a product that did more than $2 million. Very clever, very interesting strategy that they used to create it, the process behind it, and how you can find a product or create a product just like this one for yourself. Let's find out. All right, so the product is called the Couch Console. It's made over $2.2 million with only 33 hours to go. Typically products like this one that run on Kickstarter, which is a crowdfunding website, you run it for about 30 days to 60 days, people buy it, and if enough people buy it, then you can actually get funded on Kickstarter, which means you get the money and you can also keep selling it on Kickstarter. This particular product is gonna blow your mind. Let's watch the video. So first up, it's talking about stuff that you leave on the couch. There's candy on the couch, there's a remote on the couch, and now it's talking about the Couch Console. Very interesting product, solves a problem that people don't really think about, but it is a problem that everybody experiences, especially now that people are stuck at home. So these people are taking advantage of a massive thing that's happening all around the world, and they're making a product for it. They're solving multiple problems at the same time. It's just absolutely clever. When I saw the actual ad, the YouTube ad for this video, I couldn't resist but actually click on it and almost buying it. You can work with it too. Put your phone on it, food on it when you're working online, play. And you can also just watch TV with it. So they're selling it for multiple people. People that are working from home, people that are just gaming at home, people that are just relaxing at home. 15,000 people, 15,476 backers on this campaign. And they launched it just a couple of days ago. Absolutely amazing how they've done it. So basically, it's a product that solves problems for people that are stuck at home right now because of this whole thing happening around the world. Also people that are working at home, and the work from home culture, the stay at home culture is going to stay for the next couple of months, for maybe the next couple of years, for work from home, play from home, just do things from home. People are going to ask for food to be delivered. They're just going to spend more time at home because of this whole situation. Bundle packs available. 7 reasons, self-balancing cup holder. So you slip some Coke or you slip some, let's say some tea on you or some red wine. You can just put it there. Self-balancing, you can put multiple things on it. You can mix and match as well. Very, very useful product. And they created it very simply. They just thought, okay, what are people struggling with right now? How can we create a product that solves multiple problems for people in this very moment? People are stuck at home. They need something to do when they're on the couch or maybe on a bed or a soft bed, a hard bed, whatever it is. And they need to put things on it. People lose the remote control of their TV. People lose their food. Food falls. Maybe you have a baby. The baby throws something. Maybe you have a dog. The dog throws something. So let's solve all those problems with one product. And they created this massive product, the Couch Console. It also has a charging plug. So that's pretty interesting. You can charge your phone on it. Nice storage space on it. Eco-friendly as well. Recycled foam and long-lasting product. So they also took the hard task to actually make it eco-friendly and think, okay, how can we make this recycled? So people that are interested in recycled products and eco-friendly products don't think, oh, this is not for me because it might be made from plastic or might be made from something that is not recycled. You can also add some add-ons, and the product sells for $89. Pledge $89 or more. You can buy it and get it in May 2021 to anywhere in the world. They also have a Shopify store. If you click on it, eBite Inc. This is actually, I think, their first project ever created. This is the first project that they ever created. They backed 6 projects. So this is not a company that has been making a bunch of products on Kickstarter, launching them successfully, and then magically making this new product that is scaling. This is their first product. They thought of something that is a cup holder, a remote holder, and they're just absolutely crushing it. They also have this website, Couch Console. It's actually made on Shopify, so that's why I put the top ecom product, because they're actually building a Shopify store for it, and they have the product right here. And they're actually planning to run it on Shopify as well. After they get done with this particular campaign, they're probably going to absolutely crush it on Shopify, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and all their strategies of that. Now, if we look at the advertising strategy that they're using, it's mainly YouTube ads. I've been talking about YouTube ads for a while. I haven't really made a full-on tutorial about them, but I told you Learn YouTube ads. Learn how YouTube ads work. We created a full course for my mentorship students, how to run YouTube ads, because they're powerful. If you use this tool called VidTow and you actually look up the Couch Console, you'll find this ad right here, the Couch Console Modular Couch Organizer. It has 7 million views already since December. And if you click on it and look at the ad spend on it, they spent almost $500,000, $350,000 on this particular ad to make $2.2 million. Obviously with Kickstarter, when you spend a lot of money on ads, your product starts selling, Kickstarter starts pushing it to other people. So this could be a great strategy. If you come up with your own product, maybe you get a supplier in the US, you make it eco-friendly, you can run ads, and Kickstarter pushes you and helps you make more money and more sales. And they're running this ad right here, very similar to the video. Starts like that, introducing Couch Console. I think it's the same video that we saw on the page. Yeah, it's the same one. Just an amazing video. Probably didn't take them that much money to make it. They just made it in different scenarios. They put all the components of the actual product. They put nice text on it. Probably paid an editor $150 to do it. So this video actually probably cost them maximum of $1,000 to make $2.2 million. So it's not this super expensive video. They didn't hire a bunch of huge influencers, an actor, anything like that to talk about the product. They just made it about the product itself. And that's what's the beauty of it. Is it has more than 7 million views, just absolutely insane since December. They're going to keep growing it. They also have a YouTube channel right here. If we check the YouTube video, and this is the only ad, surprisingly, that they are running. They're running it from this newest crowdfunding inventions link. So maybe it's not them, maybe it's sort of a partner of them or something like that. They also have this one, this is Foldit. So this is another modular, this is a modular lunchbox. So that has nothing to do with the modular couch organizer. Absolutely insane that with one YouTube ad, they've been able to generate $2.2 million just by running this ad. YouTube ads, it's powerful, it's the future. A lot of people, very successful people, are running YouTube ads and scaling and beating people that are running on Facebook. Facebook is getting harder. With the update from Apple, it's getting a little bit harder and just harder to compete and get sales. You want to switch on to something better, learn another traffic source, and crush your competition. Let me know if you want to learn more about YouTube ads. I actually made a full course for my mentorship students. If you want to be part of that mentorship group, all you got to do is book a free strategy call completely for free. You get to talk to me or one of my students, 6-figure students, or my partner to see if they're the right fit to work together and scale up your results. And if you want to learn more about YouTube ads, you want me to make YouTube ad videos, YouTube ad tutorials, how to actually hire a video editor for your YouTube ads. I spent almost 6 figures on YouTube ads, getting great results and scaling, and I'll teach you all those strategies if there is enough interest. So make sure to comment down below YouTube ads or teach me YouTube ads or something like that, so I know that there's sufficient interest for this. And if you want to learn directly from me and my team, you want us to help you get crazy results, make sure to book a strategy call with the first link down in the description. And now that you know about this awesome $2.2 million brand and how they did it, what's the strategy behind it, and how you can replicate it for yourself, if you want to know what products to sell right now in 2021 and the next years to come to actually get results with your e-commerce business, make sure to click the video that's going to pop up right here, the top 50 products to sell in your Shopify business. Absolutely amazing video. People loved it. If you want to know the top products to sell, you definitely want to check that out. Go and subscribe, hit that notification bell to learn more about my strategies and actually take your business to the next level, and like the video down below, and I will see you on the next one.